Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to look at the dictionary that's built into Google Docs, and it's very easy to use. On any doc that you have, you can highlight a word and right-click it, and you can define. You select the define the word. Now, this will give you the pronunciation, the part of speech, and a little definition for you. If you have something that's misspelled, like packages here is misspelled, and it pops up in red and it's underlined. So I can highlight that and the suggestion pops up you saw, but I can also right click it and I have some editing feedback here. I can change it to packages, or if it's like if you have a last name like mine, that's really fun and never is in any dictionary, you can add it to your dictionary so it no longer has the little squiggly red line under it so that it's recognized as a real word. But I don't want to add that because I have misspelled packages. So I want to just go ahead and click that. And now I can highlight it again and go back to define and use that dictionary to look up the definition of the word package. All right. Thank you very much. That was a real quick one. And I appreciate you coming, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.